What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last time we had talked about the string of sequence, and in this time we're gonna talk about the list of sequence. Before we demonstrate list, let's review the summary feature of list. The characteristics of list are most used and flexible, and we use square bracket to present it. For example, li list equals square bracket 1 and 3.3 and Python. Alright, let's demonstrate it. First of all, we create a new empty list. For example, list A equals square bracket, and we print it. And we create another list, list B equals 7, 8, and 9, and we also print it. And we create another list includes integer, float, and string. For example, list C equals square bracket 6, 7.5 and Python. And we print it. Alright, let's go on and take a look. Nested list. What's the nested list? For example, we create a nested list n equals 1, 2, and a list in a list 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and we print this nested list. Listen. Alright, let's go on and take a look at list index. For example, we create a list T equals square bracket T E S L A. And what if we want to access the specified value in the list? What should we do? We can use list index. For example, 0. And the priority is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we execute it. Yeah, you can see the 0 is T. Or we change the priority 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 is L. Or we can use the list index to access negative priority. For example, -1, and we execute it. Yeah, we access A because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and -1 is A. And in the same way, what if we want to access the specified value in nested list? We also use list index. For example, list n two and 1. So it means 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1. So we execute it. Yeah, it is 4. It is so simple, right? Alright, today we have talked about the list, nested list, and the list index. And in the next time we are going to demonstrate and talk about another feature of list. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.